Bulk data processing versus API. Which is best for your business? Are you deciding between bulk data processing and an API for your business? Both can transform how you manage data, but they work in very different ways. I'll show you the differences between bulk data processing and APIs and help you decide which one works best for your business. Bulk data processing. Bulk data processing lets you update large database records quickly. You manually upload files like CSVs or Excel, specify your needs, and download the results. It's perfect for periodic, large-scale data ingestion. This method shines for historical updates or pre-campaign data cleaning. It's often more cost-effective for high-volume, low-frequency needs. Think annual record cleanups or quarterly reports. However, bulk processing isn't real-time. Data can be outdated upon download. Managing large files also demands more storage and extensive post-processing on your end. APIs, Application Programming Interfaces. APIs verify data and retrieve information in real time. They integrate directly into your systems, enabling seamless data access and automation. This keeps your records current and compliant. Yet, APIs have limitations. You might face rate limits, and they require more technical setup and ongoing maintenance. Per-request costs can also be higher than bulk processing. So how do you choose? Bulk is better for large data sets and periodic updates. APIs are better for ongoing, real-time checks. Bulk is easier to start with. APIs need more setup, but integrate seamlessly with your apps and CRMs. Here's a smart option. Use both. Upload big files with bulk processing to clean your database, then use an API to verify new entries in real time. With Searchbug, you don't have to choose. We offer both bulk processing and APIs, with no contracts, no setup fees, and free testing. Whether you need one-time cleaning or real-time updates, you only pay for the data you need. Ready to optimize your data operations? Explore our solutions for bulk data processing and APIs. Visit our website and discover how we can streamline your data management. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.